Pandemic and consequential lockdowns have posed various kind of challenges, and it made focused and guided studying for the UPSC examination even more difficult. Rao's IS, the oldest and the most trusted institute for the civil service test prep, as always, rose to the occasion and delivered unprecedented support to the civil service aspirants through timely completion of all classes by a team of best teachers, timely conduct of tests, providing high quality evaluation, feedback, and mentorship, publishing a Focus magazine and Prelims Compass booklet, and making them absolutely free for all during this pandemic, conducting quality improvement classes for prelims as well as for mains, publishing daily news simplified of the Hindu and weekly Indian Express Explained to give your preparation an edge in current affairs. We know that many institutes left their students without any guidance and support in this hour of need, and hence we extended our helping hand to the students who are not even our students and helped them in continuously prepare for the UPSC civil service examination. Actually, it takes nerves of steel to shape the students who are preparing for the steel frame of the country. Rao's IAS has been doing this for last 68 years, and you can always rely on us. It is no surprise that students are appreciating our efforts and are thanking Rao's IAS for this unrelenting support. Please take a look.
Sir, I was introduced to Rouse IAS by my mother actually because during the 80s, she actually procured some of the materials from Rouse, and in her first attempt, she reached interview level, but she couldn't crack it because she has all her domestic works and all the pressures that we understand that the women in the 80s had to undergo. So she was the one who exposed me to this coaching institute, and I must say the experience was really very beneficial, very good. I have so much conceptual clarities, in fact, after coming here. And now, even though we have online classes, we have become like an extended virtual family also. So it's very nice, it's very comfortable to be in the class, even though it is online.
With respect to quality, it is very best, sir. I can suggest, I already suggested to my friends too. Especially, I like the videos of Baswa sir, Mangal sir. I have been following DNS since 1 year. And I can also say that because of Rao says I've qualified prelims in my first attempt, because you will also recollect a static part in the DNS part also. It actually gave me my background to understand the newspaper more clearly.
I think the entire process of how motivated you're constantly made to feel, and how it's just constantly reinforced that this is not impossible, it is not as Herculean a task as it's made out to be in the outside world. I think that over the last few years has really helped, because lots of times seeing the mammoth syllabus, you cannot help getting overwhelmed. There have been lots of points of time when I myself have thought that there's so much to do, will I ever be able to cover all this? But just that constant thing, all our teachers have always said that you should just focus on a few resources and do them properly. Like, you don't need to go to some 100 different books for the same subject, because honestly that's not even going to remain in your mind, and the concepts are the same every. So I think the entire atmosphere of making you feel so encouraged, and at the same time, I think my teachers at least have never held themselves back from scolding me also when they've seen me slacking or something of that sort. And again, that was also really required. So I think it's been quite support. Like, this kind of support has been really helpful. It's really helped me get through this entire thing till this point. Now let's see where it goes further. But it's definitely been helpful now.
Sir, I would like to appreciate you on this. Take a moment and appreciate Rao's IS team's effort. You guys are doing free of cost DNS, and those videos are really informative for us, basically, who are a working professional who don't get the time of 3 hours to study the Hindu. In 45 minutes, you explain every topic, and I really appreciate it.
Love everything about Rao, the DNS, the focus, and I'm really happy that you guys are still doing such a good thing, even in this lockdown and all of that era. Like, we didn't expect that much to happen, even in online. So I'm really happy, and I'm really happy to be a part of this family. And I really hope that we attain success together.
And despite whatever was happening in your families, actually giving priority to students and their dreams to clear the exam is just hats off to all of you. I don't know how you've done it. It really takes a lot of I think the kind of motivation you have to ensure that students make it through. It's really nice. It's really heartening to see. All of us are very grateful for that. I'm sure all students at Rouse are really grateful for that, because your consistency is it's quite appreciable. Like I think I have been able to maintain my level of motivation because of the constant motivation provided to me by our faculty. And I think I've been taught by most of the faculty at some point or the other. It's really been very helpful for me at least.
Actually, sir, this is my second attempt, and in my first attempt in 2020, I ran away for so many sources and so many YouTube channels, and they are saying that 100% assured selection for prelims and all. And while I was in my prelims in 2020, while I was attending that exam, I was literally thanking Rouse IAS for your DNS videos and all. You are सबसे पहले तो सर बहुत शॉर्ट टाइम में और बहुत रिलायबल और क्वालिटी कंटेंट आप प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, मतलब भरोसा कर सकते हैं. और सेकंड थिंग कि आप बहुत हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं, पूरी एंटायर टीम एक्सपर्ट है अपने अपने पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट्स में, और उसके साथ ही जो हमें बूस्ट मिलता है. और टीचर्स जैसे गजानन सर है हिस्ट्री के, फर्स्ट टाइम उनका मैंने देखा था वीडियो, काफ़ी मोटिवेशन भी मिलता है और बूस्ट मिलता है सर. पूरा साइकोलॉजिकली भी हम जहाँ पे कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होता हमें, हम गिरने वाले होते हैं, वहाँ पे काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहता है.
Yeah, I mean, actually, Rouse is what pushed me into this, because after March, I mean, all this Corona thing started, and this was like a really old dream that I had, which I wanted to pursue like for really long. But again, I worked for 2 years after engineering. I graduated from NIT Calicut, and then I worked for 2 years, and then this MBA, and then this gave me some time to think. And then Rouse launched this course at the very right time in June. So I thought, yeah, I mean, at home I can manage both, so why not just start both? And then right now I'm here in the final lap, I believe. I mean, it's a really big help. I mean, I would say, when it's you actually going out of the way to help each one of us. So, and the sincerity is really evident, sir. I mean, there's no words to appreciate that. We are really getting benefited out of it. So thank you very much.
But definitely from my side, I face no other issue. In fact, they leave no stone untouched. So I have got nothing to say against it. Now everything is, now the onus is on the students to go and perform. The rehearsal part is done. It's now the stage performance, but the students have not done it. This is all I have.